Your competitors aren't using AI better than you. They're making decisions faster than you. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing slow decision making. And buying AI tools won't fix broken processes. I'm Brandon Koh. I've spent over 10 years helping organizations improve how they work by fixing processes, aligning teams, and using technology the right way. This AI-driven digital transformation course shows you how to apply AI where it actually improves business results. This course is built for business leaders and managers who need practical outcomes, not just theory. You'll learn how to spot where AI can really help improve existing workflows before applying AI, and use AI to support faster, better business decisions. You'll work through real examples and guided activities so you leave with a clear plan you can apply back at work. AI-driven transformation isn't about chasing tools. It's about making better decisions faster. Join Equinet Academy and learn how to apply AI with purpose and clarity.